Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw on Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet application, and now on the home page, you just have to select that particular coin which you want to deposit. For example, let's say you want to deposit USDT, so you need to select USDT, but as you can see that USDT is not available on the home page, so you just have to tap on this circle in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here in the search bar you need to search for USDT. Once you found USDT, you will be able to see all of the networks like based on Ethereum, based on BNB Smart Chain and Tron. So you need to select any of the networks that you want to use. Let's say you have selected USDT on the BNB Smart Chain, so you need to simply tap on it. Now, in order to deposit, you need to tap on the receive button, and then you will be able to see the USDT's BEP20 deposit address as well as QR code. So you need to just copy this address from here, and you just have to launch that particular exchange or that particular wallet from which you are going to deposit your money into Trust Wallet. Let's say you want to do it via Binance, so you need to launch Binance app and then tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner. After that, select the spot option, and here you need to select USDT. Then select the withdrawal option, and after that you need to select the first option that says send via crypto network. Now you just have to paste the address in this section that you have just copied from your Trust Wallet app. Then it will automatically take the network. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw and tap on the withdrawal button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you just have to simply wait for the confirmation of your transaction, and then you will be able to deposit your money on Trust Wallet. Now, in order to withdraw from Trust Wallet, what you need to do is you need to come to the home page of Trust Wallet, and now you need to select that particular coin which you want to withdraw from here. For example, let's say you want to withdraw USDT from here, so you just have to simply use the search bar in the top, and here in the search bar you need to search for USDT. Then you need to select on which network you want to withdraw your USDT. It can be Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Tron, Polygon, Arbitrum, etc. If you want to pay less fees, then I would recommend you to go with Tron, Polygon or BNB Smart Chains, but you need to make sure that you have their respective coins in your Trust Wallet account to bear the withdrawal or the transaction fees. Let's say you have selected USDT on Tron, so you just have to simply tap on it. Then you need to press send, and here it will ask you to provide the domain name or the address. So in order to get this address, you just have to launch that particular exchange in which you are going to withdraw your money. Let's say you are using Binance in order to withdraw your money, so you just have to come to the home page of Binance, and here you need to tap on the deposit button in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, select deposit crypto, and here in the search bar you need to search for the same particular crypto that you have selected in the Trust Wallet. We have selected USDT, so I'm going to search for USDT here and then tap on USDT. Now you must have noticed that in the Trust Wallet I have selected the TRC20 network, so you need to select the same network over here as well, which is Tron, and that is TRC20 network. Now it will give you the QR code as well as the deposit address, so you need to copy this address from here, then come back to Trust Wallet and paste the address in this section and press next. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer, and you just have to simply tap on the withdraw button and wait for your transaction to be completed. Once this step is done, you will be able to withdraw your money from Trust Wallet, and it will get into your Binance account, because I have selected Binance, but you can also transfer it to any other exchanges and wallets. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.